Hello, this is a quick video to show how to make camera to vertical in Blender. This is default setting in Blender. Firstly, we can split the viewport into two. One is for setting the scene, another one is for preview the render angle. And then we can select the camera and go to View, Cameras, set active object as camera. So we can preview the render angle. If we want to change camera to vertical, we can select camera and go to output properties. In the format resolution, we can change the value in X and Y. So we got the vertical camera view. This is how we can make camera vertical in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist Me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.